Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Keystone, Montana, model 3810 MS. That's for Master Suite. #1 selling fifth wheel in North America. Some of the features of why it is what it is today we're going to talk about with this video. Up front, we've got fiberglass cap. It's going to protect your investment for years to come. Tightest turning radius in the industry, LED lights, Rotaflex hitch pin. It's going to give you a better ride. 6-point leveling system, and it is self-leveling. You push a button, basically you walk away. The 2-inch thick walls, the frameless windows, LED light rope behind the electric awning, outside speakers, and of course high gloss gel coat exterior. Is going to stay looking shiny like this for years to come. Has the MORryde steps, much more stable than the old springy steps. There's the model 3810 MS, 4-season living. We've got alloy wheels. There you can kind of see that road armor suspension. Your trailer's not going to bounce around so much when you're towing it, which in turn is going to make a better ride for you. TV outside, so if you pull out your awning that you see right here, you're in the shade watching your favorite programs, sipping on a nice tea hopefully. In the very back here you can see we've got the hitch, we've got big rear window, ladder, camera ready. And let's take a look at the other side. Got to show you this because there's just too many features to talk about. The basement here, real quick. Magnetic fasteners, stays right in place. All finished off inside. All your plumbing, everything is in the basement, so it's not subject to freezing temperatures if you're in cold climates. Oh, mirror built right in with a light for docking at night. Look at this big slide. That's the bedroom slide. That's what makes this a master suite. The other side here, these are slam latch compartments, so bear with me while I open, and looky there, you got your water station, black tanks, shower, everything in one spot. Easy to get to. Now we can go inside. Deck underneath. Yeah, these steps, they're connected to the ground, so there's no bouncing whatsoever. And to stow them away, they simply fold up and lock right in the door jamb. We step inside and wow, look at that. We got a kitchen island, 4-door fridge, solid surface countertops, built-in backsplashes, and of course, being a Montana, look at all these cabinets. Stainless steel on the oven, 3-burner stove, convection oven, built-in wine rack up above, and more storage because of this island. We just get all this bonus storage. We got 2 stainless steel sinks, an electric fireplace, big screen TV. There's those rear windows we saw. Notice how the ceiling is arched. It's 5 inches thick. 5 inches thick on the ends as well as in the center to give you really superior insulation. See the accent lights behind the trim. We've got theater seating, big sofa here in the back. Our dinette looks like a freestanding, but it's a fold-away dinette. So if you want that bonus room, you got it. And these things are neat, the little pop-up plug-ins. Let's go up front. Oh, on the way up here, closet, control panel. Right there, easy to get to. And one other little feature, if I can find it. Yeah, see this? Little kick panel. You can sweep your floor, and it will suck the debris right into the vacuum cleaner, built-in vac. Walking up the hallway, got a little coat rack here before the bedroom. We open up and wow, window on the front, king bed, giant bathroom and wardrobe. Check this out. You got closets on both sides, mirrored closets, drawers, an array of areas to put shoes. In the bathroom itself, again, solid surface countertops, extra large medicine cabinet with mirror, extra large shower stall, skylight over the top, fantastic fan, and linen storage, porcelain toilet, and hopefully your view is not the back of an RV that's 2 feet in front of you, but you imagine just having a great scenic view from your master suite, Montana 3810. Right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.